It's the end of the world as we know it. Holy shinola. This is not good.
That's pretty wild, isn't it?
This is not wild.
What is it?
Mushroom cloud. Wow. Holy shit. See the one off to the right, Tom?
Yeah. Oh, over there.
This is bad. You got your phone on you?
Yeah.
Text my wife. Tell her to get out here right away.
I can't.
Why?
Because the moon's coming out. Wow, now the moon's coming out. That's pretty fucking awesome.
Careful, man. My kids are going to see this fucking video. Grace, I'm at 2.5 minutes. It hasn't stopped.
Grace, this is
I'm
your
Barbara.
sister Barbara.
Hi, Grace Barbara.
Hey,
That's Dave.
hey Dave.
Didn't mean to say the F-bomb in front of you, but Tom said it first.
Yeah, I didn't mean to drop the F-bomb.
Okay.
And here comes the moon now, over there to the right. Oh, what
Turn your light off there, Tom.
Yeah.
do you mean?
You're jamming up the video here. Right, Barbara?
Uh-huh. Yep, there you go.
How's that?
It's the end of the world as we know it. Holy
Whoa,
shit!
Nice!
I mean, shinola. What the hell is it, man?
Lightning show. Heat lightning.
I'm gonna go
Plane's
home. And,
flying right into
I'm going
that.
and watching a sci-fi movie
Oh,
after this.
that plane is flying right into that.
It's not a plane, dude. That's an UFO.
Holy shit. Wasn't that nice?
Should be watching it instead of filming it.
I'm doing both. But my arm's getting tired. Hey, Barbara, will you hold this for me?
Sure. It's right there. There's the full moon.
You want to go get Kay?
No, never mind, Tom. I can stop videoing this. I'm probably the only person in the whole world that's videotaping this besides Barbara. Can I call you Barb?
No, sorry.
Okay.
Yeah, no Barb.
Just Barbara?
Yeah.
How about Barbie?
No.
You'll be. So be. No, ain't gonna work.
Okay, I think it ended.
No, I'm not going home until it stops. It's getting bigger.
No, stop. That's it.
Jeez.
Phone home!
Yeah, I think it's over now.
Yep. Yeah, I think it's done.
Yeah. It's pretty wild.
We're at 4.5 minutes non-stop.
Holy crap.
Dude, it's low over there, see that?
The one over there? Yeah.
That was like... What the hell, man?
I don't hear any thunder, though.
Heat lightning, you don't.
There's no such thing as heat lighting, Barbara.
I know. It's lightning somewhere, I know.
What do you mean heat?
It's called heat lightning because you can't hear anything. But it is lightning somewhere. Yes, I know that.
They should call it deaf lightning. Or mute lightning. Or deaf mute lightning. I'll be over here if you need me. Jiminy. Man, my arm's getting tired.
Yeah, that's good. All right, come on in.
No, I'm not going in.
Dave, get over here.
Hey, bring me a beer.
Get over here.
No, I'm videotaping this whole thing. I got 128 gigs, baby. Get out of the way, Tom. All I see is a black man.
Turpy.
Where's your phone at?
The dead one?
Oh, yeah.
It's the dead.
Come on, man. This is going on the news.
Did you just fart on my car?
Turpy. Come on, my kids are going to watch this.
Shed a bigger dump?
Be respectful. Give me a beer.
Yeah, I will. Watch him, okay?
I'm going home. Tell Barbara it's swell.
You're having a beer in there.
No, just get me a beer.
No, it's in the house.
I'm not going inside. I got to see this. We might all die right now.
You have to go inside. Turp, let's go. Get in here. Come on.
It's slowing down.
I know. My beer's inside. You're going inside. Come on. Come on.